With Swift Publisher's text styles, going through a large document and editing text size, color, and font is a breeze. So, how do they work? Well, usually you would have to go through a document and manually set your text parameters for each text box or string of text. But text styles are basically text templates that you can set up just once and then apply to multiple text boxes with just a single click of the mouse. Why don't we get started? Once we click on the Style button, we see the default styles. Below, we have two options: Edit Styles and Add from Selection. Add from Selection is used when we've already edited a piece of text. What we can do next is select a text box and add that to our Styles palette. Let's go ahead and click Edit Styles to bring up the editor. On the left, we see our current styles. Using the buttons below, we can add or delete one. Once we select a style in the list, we see a preview on the right, and just below that, we have the properties. Let's take a look at those. The List drop-down menu allows us to add bullets to or number the text that we apply this style to. Note that any changes we make here are reflected in the preview above. Let's go ahead and leave that setting at None. Next, we have some alignment options that dictate how text will be aligned relative to the text box. In addition, just below that are spacing options. Let's leave all of those at 0. The Color button brings up the System Colors dialog and lets us choose a text color. Lastly, let's choose a font. We should click the Font button to bring up the System Fonts dialog. Let's choose Favorites and select Verdana. If necessary, in this dialog, we can also change the typeface and font size. So once we close that dialog, we are done with this style. So that's it for this style. Make sure that you go through and set up all of the styles that you need. I'm going to go ahead and do that for us. So once we've edited all of our styles, we need to click OK. And now our styles are available in this menu. Now applying one is as simple as selecting a text box and clicking on the style in the list. It's really that simple. If we have a box with texts that we need to apply different styles to, we just need to double-click on the text box, select a portion of the text, and select the style above. This brings us to the end of the lesson. We'll see you next time.